Hi, and welcome back to the Save It for Parts channel. Today we're doing a follow-up on this yellow kayak that I rebuilt from having a bunch of holes in it, and we're going to see how well my plastic welding actually did. We're going to take this out on the Minnesota River, along with a couple of our other kayaks, which you can see have also had some patchwork done, and we're going to see if we sink. So let's see what happens. Alright, is everyone ready to be on the Save It for Parts channel? What's that? Well, we'll blur out your face. Or just scream out hashtag your channel. Alright, well this boat is working pretty well so far. I have not sunk yet. And so far it is faster than our little short river kayaks. Much less maneuverable though, because it doesn't have a rudder. So at some point I might have to get a rudder kit for it. But so far I think my plastic welds are holding up. We'll see if that keeps working the rest of the day. Are you catching any fish? Nope. We just passed the sewer outfall for Burnsville. That should be where there's some.
Big catfish.
Got my product placement here. We got our group going to rescue me if it sinks, but so far it's doing pretty well. No water in here.
The problem is they're extreme, like their breed is endangered, critically endangered.
So here's the downside of this long kayak, is when you find a backwater to check out and it turns out to be a dead end, you gotta make this 1,000-point turn instead of just spinning around like you can with the little river kayaks. No. I was hoping there'd be like a beach or something, but it's just mud and tree roots. Alright, we found a stopping point with dogs. Let's see if we're taking on any water so far. Muddy dogs.
Oh, she's all wet.
Well, yeah.
Here she comes. Alright, let's see if there's any water in this boat. Well, it looks pretty dry.
It didn't look like it was sinking.
Yeah. Not sure what this side channel is, if it's a creek or just a way into a side lake or what, but it's pretty cool.
Right?
I guess this is the end. This is the farthest you can go up this creek, and then it's blocked. Well, this tree is alive, but all of its roots are pretty exposed. It's very Florida-like. Here's the Mendota Bridge. So we are almost back to our stopping point. Well, here we are at our stopping point, so we're gonna get off the river and go home. All right, that was a successful trip. Nobody sank. Didn't get any water in the yellow kayak as far as I can tell, so I think my plastic welding worked. And yes, I'm aware that my registration is slightly out of date. Nothing's been open with all of the pandemics and riots and whatnot, so I haven't had a chance to re-register it, but I will do that ASAP. So other than that, everything seems to be working pretty well with this kayak, and that plastic welding technique seems to be a good thing to do. So thanks for watching, and tune in next time to see what else we do out on the water or whatever else I get up to.